Are you also struggling with the battery drain or just not impressed with the iOS 18? Don't worry, you are not alone. Whether it's in performance issues, missing features or compatibility problems, you might want to go back to a more stable iOS version. To downgrade your iPhone safely and easily without losing your data, that's where the Tenorshare reboot comes in. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the process. What's up guys, this is Mehran and today we are going to be using the Tenorshare reboot application, which is offering so many applications on a single page, such as downgrading from iOS 18 to iOS 17 without losing your data, and doesn't need to jailbreak, and using the iTunes application it can repair 150 plus iOS, iPadOS system issues like stuck on Apple logo, black screen of death without losing data. You can also reset iOS, iPadOS and macOS devices without passcode, iTunes and FIDO. And if you are selling your iOS device, you can also irreversibly erase data on iOS device before trading in. So first of all you need to download your desired version from its official site, which I have mentioned down below in the description and as well as in the comment section, as I am downloading Windows version as we are using desktop. After downloading, simply install the Tenorshare reboot into your desktop or Mac and then just simply run the application. Now you can see this is a very friendly interface. We have got all its features on a single menu as I mentioned earlier. The first feature we have is iOS repair. If you are facing any kind of issues on your iOS device, the Tenorshare reboot is offering this feature, which will definitely fix all your iOS problems and bugs on the iOS 18 and even on the iOS 17 or earlier versions. You can also get into recovery mode through these features. Here's the downgrade and upgrade option, which we'll be using in this video. Or if you want to reset your iPhone, which shouldn't be recovered later on, then this is for you by the reboot. Let's go ahead. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the desktop or Mac. If you are upgrading your iPhone to the iOS 18 while you are still using the iOS 16 or 17 or any newer update, you can use this option while we are downgrading to the iOS 17 from iOS 18. So I will click on the downgrade. After that, you will be required to download firmware package of iOS 17. So just click on download button. It will take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. So please be patient for that. And after that, once the downloading is done, click on initiate downgrading. Do not disconnect your iOS device meanwhile this process, otherwise you will mess up everything. So please be patient for it, as it wouldn't take that much time. And you can see that once the downgrading is completed, the iPhone will get restarted and you are done. Now we have successfully downgraded this iPhone from the iOS 18 to the iOS 17 within 5 minutes after resetting your iPhone, and you can see the iPhone has been successfully downgraded from iOS 18 to the iOS 17. You can do the same. As we have mentioned before, Tenorshare reboot is offering so many features, including fixing 150 plus bugs and irreversibly resetting iPhone. So it's all in one tool. I'm leaving the download link below. You can download reboot application from its official site. Let me know if you guys have got any question regarding this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.